You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say this French word? It's a brand name as well of kind of hotels and apartments. In French, in France, it is said as citadine. Okay, the S at the end is silent. That's the plural of the adjective meaning urban, essentially. Now, in English, many refer to it as citadines, which I guess is fine to pronounce the S, but citadine is how we say it in French in France, in Paris. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.